Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today we will learn how to write a C program to check whether a year is leap year or not. So first we have included our header file, that is stdio.h. Now we will take int main and now we will start our program. So first we will take a variable where we will scan our year. So we will take a variable that is of integer type. Year cannot be a floating type variable, right? So let's take integer x, a variable. Now we will give user a statement that we need a input of year from them. So printf, we will scan this into x. So scanf %d, as it is integer, ampersand, it will be scanned into x. Okay, now we will see the condition. If the year is divided by 100, then remainder will 0. If it is divided by 100, then we have to check further that whether it is divided by 400 or not. So we have to give another condition, that if x module 400 is also equals to 0 or not. So if it is 0, then the year is a leap year. So we will print in the output that %d is a leap year, and for the %d we will print our x, right? So the output will be like dash year is a leap year. Else, if it is not divisible by 400 but it is divisible by 100, then we will give another statement in else, the year is not a leap year, right? If the year is not divisible by 100, then this x will not enter in this condition, right? It will not check if it is divisible by 400 or not. So if the year is not divisible by 100, this option will straightly go to its else part, where we will check another condition. If a year is divisible by 4 or not. If it is divisible by 4, then we will print this. If it is divisible by 4, we will print this. You can also give these braces for one line, or if you don't want, you can also avoid, but it's okay if you give a brace. If it is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. If it is not, then it is not a leap year. So this is simply a leap year checking program. So first we will just check whether the number is divisible by 100 or not. If it is divisible by 100, then this condition satisfies. Now it goes to the next condition to see if the year is divisible by 400 or not. If this condition also satisfies and it is divisible by 400, it will give an output that it is a leap year. Otherwise, if it is not divisible by 400, though it is divisible by 100, it will give the output that this year is not leap year. Otherwise, if the year we have given is not divisible by 100, from this statement it will straightly go to the else statement, and where we will check if the given year is divisible by 4 or not. If it is divisible by 4, then the year is leap year. Otherwise, the year is not a leap year. So let's check the program now. If it is okay, now save the program at first. So let's run the program and see what happens. Okay, we have some errors here. We are having some messages. We have some errors. So see where is the error. Okay, we didn't give the t in printf. That is why we are getting a message that we have an error, right? So now save it again and run. Yes. Now let's enter a year, that is 2000. it is a leap year, so 2000 is a leap year. Next, give another year which is not a leap year. So let's give 2021. It is not a leap year. 2021, it is not a leap year. And let's give another year which is not divisible by 100, but it is divisible by 4. See what it shows. So 2020. See, it is not divisible by 100, but it is divisible by 4. That is why 2020 is a leap year. Here we can also see another output, that we will give an year which is divisible by 100 but not divisible by 400. So let's give a year 3000. 3000 is divisible by 100 but it is not divisible by 400. That's why 3000 year will not be a leap year. So here our leap year program, here we can check whether a year is leap year or not. So hope you guys understand the logic behind the programming to check. So this is for all today's programming. Thank you for watching.